Hey there, this is Darren, day 189. Nothing. I did storytelling all day yesterday and flew. My flight was delayed. I was going to do it in the airport. I was going to do it on the plane. I was tired. I thought maybe I'll sleep for a while and I'll do it after that. I didn't. I got home, out cold. So, just being honest. Mom said there'd be days like this. Darren said there'd be days like this. But we move on. Day 190. Keep it moving. This is one of those, again, hiccup days. And I've had too many of these lately. So, but make progress moving forward. See you tomorrow or later today, whatever you want to call it.